We are at the Coachman manufacturing facility in Middlebury, Indiana. We are on a slight detour from our trip to have some welds on our frame repaired. There is a small camping area with electric hookups for Coachman owners visiting the facility. The facility is huge, and there are rows and rows of rolling chassis and vans ready to be turned into Coachman RVs. We are extremely pleased with our service here. Everyone was super nice and helpful, and they even gave us a tour of the facility. We saw Pursuits, Murados, and Euros being produced. It was pretty neat to see how they put them together. There were 15 stations, and at each station they added a new part to the RV. While waiting for repairs, we took Ivy for a walk on the Pumpkin Vine Nature Trail. This trail is 60 miles long and well used by cyclists. Along the way, we passed a Winnebago manufacturing facility, as seen through the woods over here. The trail was wide and paved. The area where we were was very picturesque with lots of farms, and there were no electric poles or wires near to mar the landscape. We also stopped at this popular restaurant, shop, and inn complex for breakfast. It's part of the Heritage Trail, and it had one of the quilt gardens. We didn't get to see any more of these as we soon received the call that our RV was ready much quicker than expected. We now have a nice ride with no clunks and clanks. Well, that's it for this post. See you next time.